Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about the hydrostatic forces on the plane horizontal surfaces. If the surface is horizontal, then what will be the hydrostatic force? And that is called as the total pressure. And the position or a point of action of that hydrostatic force or the total pressure we will find. And for that, here a plane is surface is immersed in a fluid is horizontal, then hydrostatic pressure is uniform over the entire surface. Then second point, the resultant force acts at the centroid of the plane. Here, this is the horizontal surface. How the uniformly entire pressure will be acting on the horizontal surface, we can see here. And here we'll see the horizontal plane. On that, at the pressure will be uniformly distributed over the surface. Then G is the centroid or a center of gravity of the plane surface. And at that point only, the total pressure is also acting. And centroid distance we can take as y bar, and h bar is the total center of pressure at point at which total pressure is acting. This will take the with the consideration, and will take the what is the value of the total pressure and the center of pressure is there. Here consider a horizontal surface immersed in a static fluid as shown in figure. As all the points on the plane are at equal depth from the free surface of the liquid, the pressure intensity will be equal on the entire surface and is given by P is equal to rho gy. Rho is the density of the fluid, g is the acceleration due to gravity, y is the distance from the surface, and this can be taken as the y bar also, where y is the depth of the fluid to the surface. Okay, up to the surface, what depth of the fluid is there. Let A is area of the immersed surface. Then the total pressure force acting on the immersed surface is P, capital P, that can be given as P is equal to intensity of the pressure multiplied with the area of the surface. The intensity of the first pressure we have taken as the rho gy, and rho gy multiplied with the area of the surface. Rho gy A we can take, or this can be written as P is equal to rho g A into Y. And this can be taken as the y or a y bar, which is the centroidal distance, where y is the centroidal distance of the immersed surface from the free surface of the liquid, and h bar is the center of pressure. For the horizontal surface, the y or a y bar and h bar will be same for the horizontal surface. Other than the horizontal surface, the y centroid distance and h bar center of pressure will be different. Okay, for this horizontal surface we are going to take as the same, and in the further sessions I am going to take the total pressure and center of pressure for the different surfaces. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.